How to free up storage on your iPhone. Here's how to free up space and keep your device running smoothly. Start by opening the Settings app on your iPhone. Then tap on General and select iPhone Storage. Here, you'll see how much storage is being used and how much is still available. At the top of the screen, your iPhone may display storage recommendations. Tap Show All to view every suggestion. These recommendations can help you free up space by removing large attachments, reviewing downloaded media, or optimizing your storage. Next, scroll down to see a list of apps sorted by how much storage they're using. Tap any app to see what's taking up space. For many users, the Photos app is one of the largest storage users. If that's the case, review your large videos and photos and delete anything you no longer need. After deleting them, don't forget to open the recently deleted album in the Photos app and permanently remove those items to actually free up the storage. If you're using iCloud Photos, you can also enable Optimize iPhone Storage to save space by keeping smaller versions of your photos on your device while storing the original files in iCloud. That's it. By following these steps, you can quickly free up storage and improve your iPhone's performance. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and check out more iPhone tips and how-to guides.